Well, thank you, sir. Good evening. How are you all? This is Shariful Islam in front of you. I am really thankful to you as you have given me opportunity to introduce myself. Discuss about my topic, daily routine. Actually, I get up early in the morning and I use my washroom sometime and I brush my teeth in my washroom and I take a lotion sometime in my washroom. Then I come back my room and I perform Nafil prayer every day. Then I recite Holy Quran in my bedroom sometime and I take snacks and I take breakfast every day and I take exercise in my bedroom and I write English poem and I listen English song and I listen English speaking and I listen English voice sometime. Then I go to my washroom and I take shower sometime and I wash my clothes and I use I wash my washroom. Then I come back my room and I prepare to go to market. Then I go to Khandirpar for selling medicine. So for selling medicine, then by the grace of Allah, I selling full days. Then I come. Then I perform Zuhr prayer in the mosque and I take. Then I perform Asr prayer in the mosque and I take snacks with my friend and elder brother and younger brother get together. Then I talk younger brother and elder brother each with each other each other um, I see many many people and many boys and many girls and many old people and old girl and so on. And maximum girl is very beautiful and maximum boys is very beautiful and maximum girls and boys sell buy medicine from me. Then I sell some medicine from my medicine shop. Then I come back my home and I buy some vegetable and I on the CNG. Then I arrive Sora Bazar. Then I take auto. Then I by the grace of Allah I arrived my home. Then I take shower sometime and I wash my clothes and I take dinner along sometime in my dining room. Then my finish my dinner. Then I come back my personal room and then I use my mobile phone sometime and I chatting with my friend sometime and I watch video English video and Hindi video and movie sometime in my mobile phone. Then I decide to memorize some vocabulary, English vocabulary. Then by the grace of Allah, I start some vocabulary from my English book. Then then for example, this is reality, actual, and this reality actual, and I see darkness, and I see darkness, and I see big institute, and two initial, then then this she is very beautiful girl, and there there are big place and big population, and this place is heaven. This place is heaven, and this place is grave. This place is grave, and grave. Then this place is grave, and then this place is he is very hesitation, his hesitation, and this place it is asset, it is it buy asset for you, he cooperative for me, and he ambition for you, and for you, and he is appeal for you, and he is evolution, he take evolution sometime, and he take evolution sometime, and he get big award, and he get big award, and he has big follower, and he has big follower. Then he is very temperament, and he is seeing direction, and this is big stop, and he is operation every day, and he is he corruption for this place, and he is a fortune, and he is ability, it is ability, and he is give response. Finally, this place is very beautiful, and this place is my personal room, because it is because I survive this place, and I sleep by the grace of Allah this place, and I see this place every day, and I see then I have I have my room many different things such as one television, one aquarium, one full tub, and one iron, and many chairs, and one water pot, a water bottle, and one multi-plug, and one hooper, and one bank, and four wall, and four lights, and one fan, and two two window, and one door, and this door is very excellent, very nice, and very fantastic. And these are windows very awesome, excellent, fantastic, very nice. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. By the grace of Allah, I think every day make video, make video. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Maghfiratu wa jannatu wal hayatu wal qudratu.